Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of smoothies that are either too watery, too chunky, or just blah? Well, today I'm sharing my ultimate formula to build the perfect smoothie every single time. It's super easy, totally customizable, and will make your mornings so much better. So let's break it down. The secret is what I call the 2-2-1-1-1 formula. It's a game changer. First, you need 2 cups of your liquid base. This could be almond milk, coconut water, regular milk, or even just plain water. This sets the foundation for your smoothie's consistency. Next, add 2 cups of your frozen fruit. This is where the magic happens. Using frozen fruit is key because it makes your smoothie thick and creamy without needing to add ice, which can water it down. I love a mix of bananas for creaminess and berries for that antioxidant punch. Mangoes and pineapple are also amazing for a tropical vibe. Now for the ones, we start with 1 cup of greens. Don't be afraid of this. A big handful of spinach is my go-to. I promise you won't even taste it, but you'll get all those amazing nutrients. Kale works too, but it has a slightly stronger flavor. Then, we add 1 scoop of a healthy fat or protein. This is what will keep you full and satisfied. Think a tablespoon of almond butter, a scoop of protein powder, some chia seeds, or half an avocado. This addition turns your smoothie from a simple snack into a complete balanced meal. And finally, the last one optional booster. This is your chance to get creative. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon for flavor, some ginger for a little kick, a dash of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory properties, or a drizzle of honey or maple syrup if you like it a bit sweeter. So, to recap, 2 cups of liquid, 2 cups of frozen fruit, 1 cup of greens, 1 serving of fat or protein, and 1 optional booster. Blend it all up until it's smooth and creamy, pour it into a glass, and you've got a delicious, nutritious, and perfectly balanced smoothie. That's it, the ultimate smoothie formula. Try it out and let me know in the comments what your favorite combinations are. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.